Today I'm going to be sharing a recent trip my family and I made to multiple thrift and antique stores in the Aiken, Georgia and surrounding areas. Since we were a little ways away from our home in Florida, the hardest part honestly was deciding which items we could actually fit in the car to come home with us. We were so pleasantly surprised by how much these stores had to offer, and I just can't wait to share it with you guys. All right, let's head into store number one. Walking in, I saw all the right signs that this was going to be a really great place to treasure hunt. I could see the back was loaded with lots of great wood furniture pieces and plenty of aisles filled with home decor and everything in between. Faith, of course, jumped right on the records. First thing that caught my eye was this wooden vintage chair for $10. These type of chairs are really great multi-use seating that doubles as decor just about anywhere in the home. That is so cute. $125. Gosh, I thought these vintage wooden beds had so much potential. With a little cleaning up, these would be such a statement piece. So is this one. $200. Super cute. This place had all the cabinets, most ranging from $75 to $100. Even if this was the only thing you came here for, it would totally be worth it. All right, I'd really like a cart because I see a lot of neat things, but this place is pretty busy and all the carts are taken. We got a cart, yay! I headed right over to start looking for some decor. I thought this rose pattern set was really beautiful. How sweet would this mirror be in a little girl's room? I really loved all the colors. These type of floral prints are some of my favorite decorating pieces. The prices here seemed really reasonable. I showed this to Faith because we both love cows. I'm interested in this blanket. Oh, looks like it's... This one made me sad. I thought it had so much potential. Oh, I really like these chairs. There's only two, but I think I could... They're $15 each. Oh, there's some staining on the seat. I've really been wanting to add some ladder back chairs into our kitchen or dining area. I love the feeling they bring into a space. Those are very close to almost for me, but I don't know if I would want to try to get the paint off. I don't love that there's a big stain on the seat. These candlesticks are really pretty. $25 for the set. Next, I moved over to check out the boutique section. I don't think it's a terrible price. Everything over here was a little bit more like what you could expect to find in an antique and vintage store. Oh my gosh, this one's really cute. I think it's a candlestick holder. It was, and even Anthropologie loves it enough to recreate it. Really pretty. I thought they also had a really nicely set up accessory area. All right, that is it for this first store. All right, guys, this is the Aiken Antique Mall, full of everything we usually have to scour the thrift stores hours and days to find, all in one place. This entire store really was just beautiful and filled to the brim with quality pieces. I got started looking at this first vendor's jewelry case. I'm such a sucker for good turquoise. Those lamps are so pretty. Let's see. $1,300. I love these Tiffany lamps and was lucky enough to find a really pretty mini replica at the Goodwill recently for $5.99, and I couldn't have been more excited. love these Wedgwood plates. Little dishes. How cute are those? I don't have any Wedgwood pieces yet. I just think that they're super cute though, and I definitely would like some. These are $15. So pretty. Look at this purple with the horses. I didn't get a great clip, but I thought these quilts were just gorgeous. Lots of truly beautiful things in pretty much every corner. This set's really pretty. $240 for the whole set. Gosh, it's so much. I thought this was a massive but adorable collection. 1960s to 1970s. The sound you never want to hear in the antique store. I hurried around the corner to see if anyone needed help and found a very defeated looking sweet vendor who knocked one of her displays off the wall. She had glass everywhere, and when I offered to help clean it up, she assured me that she was okay and had it under control. I have a small collection of these started that I'm definitely planning to add to. These pieces really remind me of childhood. I don't have some of these. This booth definitely has a lot of things that I like. Lots of bright florals. With the autograph, it is fun, Faith.
Yeah, it's only $4, but I just thought it was fun.
It is fun. Hold on to it.
Yeah. I'm the one who knows.
Okay. I didn't know Carrier and Ives made glasses. That's interesting. Looks like it's $32 for the set. Or no, goodness. Okay, $57 for a set of glasses, so they're separated by the set. Fun. I got excited when I saw this little teacup display shelf, but it's not for sale. I'd love to have one of these. These gold sconces are really cute. They're only $30. It's not a bad price. These needlepoint pillows are really pretty. $29. The little one's $29, and the big one's $29. I do like those. They're really cute. $53. Man, I probably should have got this kettle. How beautiful would this be set out in the kitchen? This footstool's pretty. $68. That's really pretty. I haven't decided exactly like what type of Wedgwood pieces I would like or where I want them to go. So it's hard for me to really choose. These are all really pretty though. They're kind of expensive, but pretty. These are exactly what I've been looking for as decor in my kitchen for my upcoming makeover. And I'm looking for more blue and white for my plate wall. Those even could be pretty together somewhere. I might hold on to these and think about it. This place is so big. Honestly, it's hard to make a decision. Right now I have these plates and some candlesticks. Totally worth the visit. Definitely a lot of fun in here. Let's head into store number 3.
Where is that?
Show me. Cute.
It's like the one the neighbor has in their yard.
It's sweet. How much is it?
$6.
Yeah, that's cute. Hold it.
Oh, and there's a little pot.
It's really cute, babe. How much is the pot?
The tax kind of, I think it's $6. The tax a little confusing.
3. This place also had a really great selection. Faith and I started spotting fun things right out of the gate. That could be cute at Christmas, wintertime. $5. There's 2 of them. By Carrier Knives. Definitely some pretty books here. They're all $1, so I think we're gonna grab some of these. This green one's pretty. If I get stuck decorating, old books are always one of my go-tos. I like the blue. But there's not really anything on the outside, on the binding. This is pretty. I feel like those even together already are pretty. We've got this old Shakespeare book. It's kind of fun. It's pretty damaged though. These pictures are really cute. Like cut out for a quilt. What a beautiful way to display an old quilt that might be falling apart. How much are they? I think it says $815. Pretty. Really nice basket. $25. So this is $6. I don't recognize the mark. Pretty. I don't know that I'm gonna get it, but it's pretty. $3 a plate, but everything's half off in the kitchen, so $1.50. Those are cute. I don't have any serving trays quite like that. $6. Cute. Word of the day is cute. It's the home of Thomas Jefferson in Virginia. Charlottesville. I think it's fun.
$2.91 out of $25.
To my dear Snuggums. From your love, Steve. Aww. This picture is kind of fun. I don't know why I like it. I think the fact that it's addressed to Snuggums makes me like it more.
Snuggums.
It's very cute. Gosh, as much as I like these, I don't know if they're gonna blend in with the others. I did end up getting the 10s. A sweet mom and daughter stopped me on my way out to tell me how happy they were that I kept them and how cute they were. All right, we are heading into the Aiken, Georgia Goodwill. It is raining outside. We had to make a run for it. Store number 4. Let's check out this Goodwill. This rocker's cute. It needs cleaned up. $24.42. Just don't know that I have anywhere to put it. It could go in my office. I might think about this one. We have the sweetest memory of gifting one of these to my son Jordan when he was 3 years old for Christmas. He was so terrified of it, he jumped over the back of the couch trying to hide. But thankfully, he ended up really loving him. All right, let's get back to thrifting. Cute. I do like that. And I have a collection of pots that are starting to pile up because eventually I'm going to fill them all with beautiful plants, but it just hasn't happened yet. I have the white version of this at my house, and I use it all over the place. These pink ones are pretty. $5.99. I don't know that I paid a whole lot more for it new. Next, I decided to take a quick peek through the tops. This Ralph Lauren tee's cute. These basic striped tees can be a really simple, comfy outfit to put together with some denim. $5.99. Doesn't even look like it was worn. Loft shirt that still has the tag on it. For $5.99, it's kind of like a sweater material, but it's see-through. think it's really cute. I feel like I'm gonna try it on. I feel like this Ann Taylor blouse could be really cute for church. Might try that on. Banana Republic. Hey girly. So I'm not sure exactly what I would wear with the wash shirt, but it is cute. And it has the tag on it still, which makes me consider it a little bit more. Literally no idea what I would wear it with though. Jeans maybe? I don't know. Maybe I don't like it as much now that I have it on. I think I'm gonna pass on it. It's cute, it's a great deal for somebody, but. All right guys, I think this is where we're gonna wrap this one up. If you made it to this point, thank you so much for taking the time to come along with us. I had so much fun sharing this with you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.